In this video, we are introducing key features or overview summary of flyenix bed vacuum cleaner with UV-C Light and Ultrasonic. Let's get started. With a powerful motor, adopting the padding mode, this mattress vacuum generates a suction power of 14 kilopascals and a main brush that rotates at a speed of 38,000 per minute. It effortlessly removes dust and pet hair. HEPA filtration. Mattress vacuum cleaner with HEPA filter, which filters 99.97% particles as tiny as 0.3 micrometers, prevents clogs, maintaining peak filtration efficiency. Effortless and fast. Equipped with 253.7 nanometers UV-C light and ultrasonic technology, physics ultrasound, powerful high-frequency tapping, hurricane deep breath, super suction power, allows you to get the best mattress cleaning experience and bring you a comprehensive and healthy home environment. Long-lasting and cordless design. Crafted from high-grade components and durable materials, well-built bed vacuum cleaner minimizes the need for maintenance or replacement. Equipped with advanced environmental humidity monitoring function, it can detect the microenvironment with high precision. The normal suitable humidity is 45% to 65%. Cordless design, which can let you not worry about the power problem during use. Get rid of the trouble of the wire. USB charging mode. For full features and full reviews, check the link in the video description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications.